When it comes to keeping your air moist and healthy, nothing beats investing in a solid humidifier. Regardless of whether you're looking for the budget air humidifiers, or just want to have the best humidifier that money can buy, we have an option for you. In this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 3 best humidifiers in the market today. You can find links to the products in the description. If there's any other product you'd like us to review, please comment down below. So, without further ado, let's get started with the list. This AIRCARE humidifier from AIRCARE is meant to cover 3,600 square feet of area. It releases cool mist from it, and it also features digital humidistat, which helps to maintain the required temp of humidity across the house easily, and has auto shut-off features to shut it down when the required level of humidity in the house is achieved, or the humidifier tank has become empty. It has a tank of about 3.6 gallons, which allows it to run for about 36 hours on low settings. It has 3-speed motor to adjust the outflow of mist as per your requirement, and nighttime settings for quieter operation. You also get filter change indicator, and water tank empty indicator to refill it. It is easy to clean and it has evaporative wicks which deposit all the mineral components for water. It also features little wheels for easy movement across the house. It comes in dimensions of 14.5 by 21.5 by 20.5 inches and weighs around 14 pounds. Overall, it's fine humidifier with plastic body, and console style, which some people will like, and some may not. This espresso evaporative humidifier from AIRCARE is sure to complement any decor. It has an easy fill tank design. This humidifier works to add invisible moisture to your environment by moving dry air through a saturated wick filter. It is an amazing pedestal-style air humidifier which can work to add moisture to the air in house size up to 2,400 square feet easily. It comes with a digital controller, which allows you to maintain the perfect humidity level in the room according to your requirement with great accuracy. The small digital display on the humidifier shows the fan speed and current humidity level. Its 9 speed levels allow you to get the perfect humidity condition across the room, and to maintain that level it gets shut down automatically once the desired humidity conditions are reached in the room, or when the water in the tank gets finished. It comes in dimensions of 18 by 18 by 27.2 inches, and weighs around 27 pounds. It's advised to change its filter in 6 to 12 months depending on your usage. Also, adding humidity to the air allows you to remain comfortable at lower thermostat settings. The rule of thumb is that you can save about 3% on your heating bill for every degree that you set back your thermostat, says Bill Prindle, Deputy Director for the nonprofit American Council for an Energy-Efficient Economy. This means evaporative humidification could save you up to 10% on your energy bill. Overall, these are nice units, especially when used on the quieter, low fan setting. They look nice, not fancy or expensive, but quite acceptable, and they do the job. Be prepared to get a large water can or big bucket to fill them.